What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Krista back with another video. They're gonna talk about things and talk about life. Don't mind me, got my hoodie shirt on. I'm in the bed laying down. Yeah, let's talk about little things and um let's start with I want to talk about me. Talk about my husband too, but like I said, y'all just get to know us, get to know me, get to know my husband. But I'm 33, I'll be 34, December 29th. And my husband's 34. He'll be 35 March the 15th. So yeah, it's the same age. Kind of weird, but yeah. We got no kids. Ain't got no child. Ain't got no kids. We have no kids together. We trying, to have a baby. I ain't gonna lie, it's been hard. But that's another topic. But I'm trying to have a baby. We're married. Well, next year before. We're together 8. I'm trying to have a little one. Let's talk about life. We was not trying to move. Find our own spot. Get back on our feet. Like the devil trying to come through, score things, but we know what he able to do. And it's hard. We're getting him going to work. Y'all just understand. Going back to board. To my mama's house and sister's house. And we used to our own space. And first they had Lee in the house. I just want to get on here to chat. Talk about things. Now just get it on my chest. Girl, get it off your chest. Yeah. But I will be back with another video. Peace.